Hi Kickstarter, welcome to my home arcade where I've got this great classic skee ball machine. What a lot of fun it is. You have seen this machine 2 years ago on Kickstarter when I introduced replacement display boards for the score and the ball count. That product's been tremendously successful. I've had some feedback from customers where they've had challenges because this simple plastic that is the light baffle, which my board's attached to so that you can get the original classic look of the scoring, is hard to come by and people just don't have them. You can get them in the used part market, but boy are they expensive. So I took that feedback to heart and developed a new version of my display boards that don't require the light baffle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this machine on because I've got a prototype version already installed and working so that you can see exactly how they look, and then we'll talk about how easy they are to install and when they will be available. Okay, here we've darkened the environment so you can see the Skee display a little better. I want you to look at the modernized look that the new display provides. Let's drop a quarter in so we can get out of attract mode and see some actual scores on the display board. Alright Kickstarter, let's take a closer look at one of the boards here. You can see that each of the 7 segment pieces is made up of multiple LEDs. Now you can also see in the corner there are the holes that can hold for mounting. You snap these pegs in, they're exactly like the original mounting pegs and mount directly to hardware that's inside of your machine. Easy as can be to install. That's our goal. So, that's pretty neat, huh? Let's talk about when this product is going to be available. And as you can see over here in the rewards section, the product is going to be available as soon as this campaign ends. I've got the prototypes ready to go. I've got the hardware on order. I just need to know how many to buy to do the initial stocking. So if you're willing to support me, I would greatly appreciate it. And you know that I'm going to come through for you. Thank you for listening today and enjoy your skee ball games, everybody. Can we win with 100? Hey!